Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Fadlol Bachtiar. You can call me Fadlol or Fadil. I was born on 25 April 2003. I live in Gresik City. I love to read a book and playing basketball with my friends. I have a dream. My dream is become a success man. I hope I will always be happy in my life. Okay, next I will tell my resume about environmental crisis. Climate change caused the rainy season and the dry season to be unpredictable. This happened because of very high nature of human consumption. This can be shown when we get on plane and then the plane goes down. We can see directly the land in the city, which is very polluted because of pollution produced on land, namely from motor smoke, and the largest is from factory smoke. Pollution generated on land because global warming. Global warming is a process characterized by an increase in the temperature of the atmosphere, sea, and land. For your information, the global average temperature on Earth's surface has scored 0.74 positive negative 0.18 derajat Celcius, 1.33 positive negative 0.32 derajat Fahrenheit in the last 100 years. So, fix our Earth is getting warmer. Example of the effect caused in the melting of polar ice, which cause polar bears to lose their home. Volume of water in the ocean also increase, and ecological disturbance. Referring to the kinetic material, namely the reaction rate, the reaction is affected by temperature. When the temperature on the Earth rises, the reaction on the Earth surface will also increase. The effect is premature aging. Colors that fade quickly will fade faster. In Japan, nuclear is used for power generation because nuclear is very energy efficient compared to using fuel oil. The use of nuclear power as a power plant can reduce the use of coal and reduce pollution. But if there is a leak or the like, it will be a big problem. The level of production in China is very high. It can be proven that products from China have spread all over the world. But behind that, China is experiencing a very large environmental crisis. This crisis is caused by the forest area in China getting narrow because it is replaced by industry. The effect, from example, in China there is a cancer village. In this village is polluted by industrial waste, namely cadmium and zinc elements that can cause cancer. Not only cancer but also non-degenerative diseases due to the impact of environmental pollution. A study who study environmental chemistry, we should behave in a healthy way. For example, such as staying away from synthetic food and beverage, knowing their content and identifying the danger of this food. Okay, next I will tell about my resume. is air pollution. What causes air pollution? Air pollution is caused by solid and liquid particles and certain gases that are suspended in the air. These particles and gases can come from car and truck exhaust, factory dust, pollen, mold spores, volcanoes, and wildfires. The solid and liquid particles suspended in our air are called aerosols. Aerosols can impact how the sunlight hits Earth. For example, some aerosols reflect sunlight while others absorb sunlight. It depends on the color of the particle. Dark surface, whether it's a black t-shirt or a dark particle in the atmosphere, absorb the sun heat. Lighter colored surface reflect heat from the sun. A white t-shirt reflects the sun on a hot day, making you feel cooler. In the same way, light colored particles that reflect the sunlight and heat away from Earth can make the global temperature cooler. Dark colored particles that absorb the sunlight can make the global temperature warmer. There are three effects of air pollution. One is greenhouse effect, two is depletion of the ozone layer, and the last one or three is acid rain. 1. Greenhouse effect or global warming is an effect that is felt by humans, like being in a greenhouse, namely when plants have absorbed light or energy in the morning and then at night the energy from that light should be released out of the atmosphere will be restrained and reflect Earth again, which causes the heat on the Earth to increase. 2. Depletion of the ozone layer. The ozone layer can be depleted due to CFC compounds, which are used in refrigerator and air conditioner, which are usually in the stratosphere and break the ozone layers. CFC cannot be lost for 75 years if they are in the atmosphere. Last is acid rain. Acid rain comes from harmful gases produced by motorcycle or factory and then react with the air and collect in the clouds to produce acid rain. Acid rain has a negative impact, namely the death of animal and human, decreased human health, and corrosion of building materials and metals. Air pollution in the house, such as cigarette smoke, carbon monoxide from car and motorcycle, ammonia from household cleaner, dichlorobenzene from room deodorizer and camphor, nitrogen oxide from gas stove, and compound in wall paint. Okay, the last is air pollution solution. Here are some activities you can do to prevent and reduce air pollution that is currently happening. One is walking and cycling. The first solution to prevent and reduce existing air pollution is to walk and ride a bicycle. This is because walking for short distance and riding bicycle for long distance can reduce the use of motorbikes, which are one of the factors causing air pollution. And two is farming. The second solution to prevent and reduce existing air pollution is to carry out farming activities, which can help reduce air pollution caused by air pollution by various plants that can counteract pollution. And three is don't burn garbage. The third solution to prevent and reduce existing air pollution is not to burn garbage, because it can emit smoke that causes air pollution. Often people burn their trash because they think burn it can break down and eliminate piles of garbage quickly. However, this step is wrong because it can damage the environment. Four is, or the last, save electricity usage. The fourth solution to prevent and reduce existing air pollution is to save electricity use. To produce electricity requires burning coal or oil, which can cause air pollution. That the explanation I can give. I apologize if there are any wrong words or pronunciation, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.